Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Hamzah Bibi. I come from 7.2. My number of percent is 33. Today I want to speaking about subject social term 4. The first material is socio-cultural change. Socio-cultural change is a transformation that occurs in the values, norms, belief, behavior, and social structure of a society or cultural group. There are three forms of socio-cultural change, namely, the first is social change based on time. Slow social change evolution, for example, change in livelihoods from hunting and gathering of farming and raising livestock. The fast social change revolution, for example, revolution in agriculture, manufacturing, mining, transportation, and technology. The second is social change based on the influence. Change that have little influence, for example, change in hairstyle, and change that have a large influence, for example, industrialization, which has a major influence on human. The third is social change based on its plan. Planet change, for example, construction in Indonesia, and unplanned change, for example, due to natural disasters such as eruption, earthquakes, and floods. Factor causing socio-cultural change, namely, first is population growth and decline, second is new discoveries, third is conflict, fourth rebellion or revolution, 5 change in natural environment, and 6 influence of other people culture. Factor inhibiting social change, namely, first, isolate community life, second, late development of science, 3. The attitude of society that avoid modern things, 4. Prejudice toward new things, 5. Custom. The second material is globalization. Globalization is a social process in which geographic constraints on social and cultural arrangement are become increasingly receding. Types of globalization. The first is globalization of the cultural sector. The second is globalization of the field of communication. Third, globalization of the economic sector. Four, globalization of science and technology, or we can say EPTEK. 5. Globalization of the transportation sector. Impact of globalization. The first is positive impact of globalization. There are so many points on that. The first is including the development of science and technology. Second is increasing effectiveness and efficiency. Third is the country economy is increasing. The fourth, the standard of living of the community is increasing. Fifth, communication is getting faster and easier. 6. The development of the world of tourists. 7. The development of communication tools and information openness. The negative impact of global is including westernization, demoralization, social inequality which cause economic inequality, increasing crime rates, environmental pollution, and increasing individualism. Socio-cultural change and globalization are also related in the progress of times. Therefore, Human will continue to be creative with all the mind that God has given human. Technology will continue to develop rapidly and modernly. Therefore, as a human being who use technology, we must be wise in using technology. I think enough for today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.